Wait, space is throwing snow cones at us? Kinda. An interstellar comet called 3I Atlas is blasting jets like tiny ice volcanoes as it swings past the sun. Hubble reshot it a few days ago, and NASA says it's not from our solar system at all. It'll cruise by Earth on December 19th at about 170 million miles. Safe, but close enough for telescopes. Think about that. A billion-year-old visitor from another star system sneezing CO2 and dust, then ghosting us forever. Your ex? Dramatic. This comet